I have the pleasure of being with Mr. K. Manohar Raja. He is the Principal Executive Director in RailTel. What was your experience of joining this summit, National PSU Summit?
Oh, this was a very interesting summit, very good conclave, very well attended by the industry leaders, and very interesting conversations and very good insights.
So, what would be the key takeaways for RailTel?
The key takeaway, of course, is that while we had the first wave of digitization and everything, I think the second wave is going to probably be more disruptive. So we have to shift left, fast shift left, and think how we can rethink and reimagine our businesses.
RailTel is doing a very important job of providing optic fiber connectivity to the country. So, what are the issues and challenges are you facing in this area, and what are the solutions to these challenges?
No, I think from managing the optic fiber cable across India, it's kind of settled problem. I think we are able to do well. I think the real challenge is in monetizing these assets. Especially we are a niche telecom service provider, competing with the giants in the industry and creating our own niche thing, especially in the last mile. We're trying to bring some innovative solutions, and that's what we're working on.
Okay. So you are competing with some of the biggest players in the probably the world, not just India. So what kind of advantages are you offering that those players, big players, are unable to offer?
See, for a PSU, I would say we are quite agile. We are small but not very small, and we have built a collaborative culture of working. We work with very good number of partners, Indian partners, and we are able to build solutions which are very cost effective to the customers.
Okay.
Very innovative and cost effective to the customers.
Who are your main customers?
We serve a variety of customers. We think from banking, banks are our important customers. Government is, telcos are, the hyperscalers are. We also have a retail set of customers.
So any kind of particular cyber security challenges that you are facing?
Oh, cybersecurity, of course, is a very important problem for us. We, as part of our solution, apart from the network, we also have 2 data centers which we manage. So cybersecurity is a very important aspect for us because we provide not only security for ourselves, but we provide solutions for our customers. So ensuring security has become paramount. We have some very mission critical national level infrastructure. We host e-offices for railways, the HMIS for railways, and several other things which I cannot probably mention.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what kind of growth are you expecting in the next 5 years? Some kind of target would be there?
Of course, I mean,
Because telecom, this is a very fast growing, fast moving field.
yes.
Optic fiber.
So I think internally we have very ambitious targets, and we have been growing at about 25% in the last few years. We hope to maintain that momentum. We have to figure out what new areas we can add, what kind of value-added services we can bring to the internet, and what market gaps are there for us to build those solutions. We have identified some emerging technologies, and probably in the next few months you will hear from us.
We keep hearing that quantum computing is coming, and that will vastly increase the speed of connectivity. So is that a possibility that you are looking at, that at some point of time this internet might get obsolete and we might be moved to a wholly new level of internet where the speed is phenomenal?
I think those are possible, but they're a little distant in the future. But what RailTel has done is we experimented with the quantum link in RailTel between Hosur and Dharmapuri. We did the trial. We also hosted a quantum solution in our data center, and we plan to provide Entropy as a service. Entropy, actually, the early application of quantum is, we can build unbreakable codes. It's truly random things, not pseudo-random, truly random. That's the early application of quantum, for which we are already having some plans, and we have started some early services. We are experimenting between our own services now, but we'll soon launch to the public.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.